Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Question Point. Here we provide various important GK and GS questions which are important from the perspective of SSC exam and most important from the perspective of CHSL exam. So before starting video, please like our video and subscribe to channel so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get the notification. So without a further delay, let's get started for today. And first question is, which of the following are consumer semi-durable goods? Car and television set, milk and milk product, food grain and other food products, electrical appliances like fans and electric iron. So correct answer here is food grains and other food product. These are a kind of semi durable goods. Car, television set, electrical appliances, these are durable goods, and these are perishable good, milk and milk product. Next question, other things being equal, a decrease in quantity demanded of a commodity can be caused by, so a rise in the price of a commodity, a rise in the income of the consumer, fall in the price of a commodity, or fall in the income of the consumers. So here the correct answer will be rise in the price of the commodity. So this is basically about law of demand, where when other things are being constant, there is a decrease or in quantity demanded due to rise in price. Next question, which of the following is not an economic problem? So deciding between paid work and leisure, deciding between expenditure on one good and other, deciding between alternative methods of personal saving, deciding between different ways of spending leisure time. So basically here, deciding between paid work and leisure, this is not an economic problem. Next question, in which year were the state reorganized on a linguistic basis? So it was reorganized in the year 1956, when the state were created on the basis of language. Earlier constitution makers and other leaders, they resisted to make the states on the basis of language, but because it will harm the unity among the Indians. So basically they were not making the states on linguistic basis, but due to a lot of unrest in the state of Andhra Pradesh, they have to reorganize the states on the basis of language. Next question, who has got the power to create all India service? All India service can be created by the parliament. Next question, Ravi Kirti, a Jain who composed the Aihole Prashasti, was patronized by, so he was basically patronized by Pulakeshi too. Next question, when did reign of Delhi Sultanate came to an end? So reign of Delhi Sultanate came to an end in the year 1526. This is the year when Mughal dynasty was established. So Babur established Mughal dynasty in the year 1526 AD. So Delhi Sultanate came to an end. Next question, the soil which are rich in calcium. So soils which are rich in calciums are pedicles. Next question, cultivated land is defined as the land actually under crop. So this is the cultivated land. Next question, which of the following is a biological method of soil conservation? So biological method of soil conservation is contour terracing. Next question, glucose is a type of hexose sugar. Next question, we have number of mitochondria in bacterial cells. So number of mitochondria in bacterial cells is 0. There are no mitochondria found in the bacterial cells. Next question, which of the following is the largest biosphere reserve of India? So largest biosphere reserve of India is Gulf of Mannar. Next question, ISRO's master control facility is in, so it is in Karnataka. Next question, if the horizontal range of a projectile is 4 times its maximum height, the angle of projection is, so basically here the angle of projection is 45 degree. Telnet basically stand for telephone network. Next question, which of the following metal has least melting point? So basically least melting point is of mercury. Next question, the gas produced in marshy places due to decomposition of a vegetation is, so basically here methane gas forms when there is a decomposition of vegetation. Next question, the 5 kingdom classification was given by, so it was given by Whittaker. Next question, rainbow is formed due to, it is formed due to refraction and reflection of sunlight. With what the term steppe associated? So steppe is the term which is associated with the grassland type bioregion. Next question, Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas in the reign of which king? Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb or Jahangir? So it was during the reign of Akbar that Ramcharitmanas was written. Next question. Grammy award is given in the field of, so it is given in the field of music. Next question. The first woman to get Bharat Ratna award was, so it was given to Indira Gandhi, the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna award. Next question. Which committee has been constituted by Union government to study salt in river Ganga in Bihar? So basically, A.K. Sinha committee was formed by the Union government to study salt नहीं है ये silt है silt in the river Ganga in Bihar. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do comment how you liked the video and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Keep preparing. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.